Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:36 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots 8 nautical miles northwest of Susquehanna Flats, moving southeast at 25 knots. This thunderstorm will be near Susquehanna Flats, Spessady Island, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Turkey Point. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots. Locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.
The following is a short